Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Lapabon Euro Piccolo espresso machine and this beautiful grinder Zacconi Riviera Espresso. For this grinder we gave it a deep clean, disassembled the entire thing, polished everything as much as we can. We removed the boards as well, deep clean everything, reassembled back together, tested and make sure everything's grinding the way it's supposed to, and it definitely is. It's grinding much better and much cleaner, as there was a lot of coffee built up inside the boards of the grinder. For this machine, we replaced the side glass gaskets, the piston gaskets, and pretty much all the gaskets of the machine. Give it a little clean and make sure everything's running smoothly and the way it's supposed to. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. We don't have these opportunities where we can actually test the grinder and the machine. So hopefully I pick up the right grind stage for this machine. Otherwise, you're gonna drip the coffee or coffee barely dripping. Perfect. Let me put a little bit more. Good. Now I'm going to tamper with just one hand, so I am sorry if I don't do it correctly. Hopefully I did. Looks a little bit coarser, as you can kind of see some of those little white dots in the coffee around there. So probably it's going to shoot straight into the machine, but we can always adjust the grind we can always adjust the coffee grind to a more finer or a more coarser, depending on what we need it. So hopefully I pick up the right grind size on this machine. Let's do a shot. We raise the lever a little bit, just enough for water to get into the chamber, and then we release it just like this. As you saw, it was pretty fast. We got a little bit of crema forming at the top, but it can totally be much better, which is what we're gonna be doing. Let me just calibrate the grinder and redo the shot. We'll be right back. Okay, I increase the grind size of the grinder. It's going to be much finer than before. That way we can create a better seal between the portafilter and the machine. Alright, gonna leave it like that. Again, I'm gonna tamper with just one hand. As you can see, this one tampered much better, has way less white little spots in the ground. So hopefully this will be much better than the previous shot. We still have the other one over here just to compare. Again, we raise the lever all the way, wait for some liquid to come down, and as you can see, this one is so much better. As we've been, yeah, this one is so much better. Look at that. That was much better shot. We got more crema as well from the top. The other one is already fading now, while this one, even though it's fresh, you can kind of see it's thicker than the other one as well. So that's a pretty good shot. As always, we can increase the grind size and have much crema or less crema, depending the way we want our coffee to be, and depending what kind of coffee we also put in the grinder. This coffee is pretty old. The one that we have over here, that's coffee. I'm gonna have to deep clean again the grinder, but as you can see, grinder working perfectly fine, really good, and the steamer on the machine working amazing, working really good. Excellent pressure, really good temperature as well. Easy to close and open. I'm gonna remove the portafilter. Working great. With an excellent shower. And there you have it, La Pavone Euro Piccola and a Zacconi grinder. La Pavone Euro Piccola tune up and a Zacconi grinder clean. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.